Hi guys, today is the July 24th, and again I'm here at my tree house trying to finish my skirt here. Hi, good morning guys. I just woke up and it's raining. Wait, I'll show you. Can you guys see or not? I don't know. So, yeah. आजको दिन चाहिँ शीतल हुने भयो because it's raining रातभरि and अहिले पनि yeah. So let's start our day. I'm ready. Productive, I guess. Let's try to be productive. Hi, look at me. I'm wearing this raincoat and पानी आउँदैछ, पानी पनि पर्दैछ, so I have to पानी थाप्नै पर्यो पानी परे पनि. So रेनकोट लगाएर पानी थाप्दैछु यता तल. Oh no, मेरो पानी परे पर्छ. This is the weather after the rain. Hi. So I have realized one thing about this project. मैले भनिरहेको थिएँ I'll put the elastic band in here भनेर, but no, I'm not gonna do that because I will be making so I'll do slip stitches for the for the waistband. I'll do the slip stitch because slip stitch garyo bhane it will be stretchy but it will go back to its own shape. So yeah. I'm again going to unravel this. My minute further, I don't know how many times I've done this. Yeah, so again I'm going to redo this. I think my vlog is becoming so boring because of this reason, I guess. I don't know, but I'll try to make a good one. So I took it apart and here. Oh, I'm still feeling sleepy. So now I'll start doing the waistband. Yeah. Finally घाम पनि अलि लाग्दैछ तर नलागोस्. अनि चिसो भएर I wore this sweater that I made myself. Yeah, that's it. अनि मैले यति बनाएँ मैले and it stretches, I mean it's stretchy. बोल्न नआउने. Wish me luck for this skirt. I'm losing my hope. Yeah, so wish me luck. Hi. So I have the update. I did यति यो त सबै slip stitchesहरु मात्रै हो. And look, it stretches. So I'll have to make another 80 size नै अझै. I don't know how many rows I have to count, but yeah, I'm getting there. And I did all brown because color यहाँनिर color change गरेर राख्न जा हुन्छ. कस्तो लामखुट्टे आउन थालेको छ भनेको. या अन्त घाम पनि डेन्जर लागिसक्यो हेर्नुस् न. डेन्जर घाम लागिसक्यो. And I'm having my tea bagel glassमा. Yeah, so त्यही नै हो. That's the update for now. I had to show you this. DNA just देखेछ नि DNA. DNA. So I managed to make the waistband here. I think it looks quite okay for me and fit पनि मजाकै छ. I tried it. So yeah, and I'll start with the skirt ko part. Yeah, and I don't know how will I manage to do it, but yeah, I'll do it. And it's time to cook. 6:38 PM भइसक्यो already. Oh my god, यो किरा कति कराउँछ के? And yeah, it's time to cook. I have to go. Hi. So I really wanted to put on the bandana that I made myself, and yeah, it's 12:35 PM right now, and yeah, it's time to crochet. So here I am at my tree house again to crochet because तल गर्मी छ अनि यहाँ अलिकति शीतल छ, हावा आउँछ. And बढाल्नु पर्यो, सफा गर्नु पर्यो. Here it is. So हिजो मैले यो वेस्ट ब्यान्ड बनाएर अनि अर्को 1 row चाहिँ मैले हाफ डबल क्रोशे गरेर भ्याइसकेँ. Now I'm going to add another color here and crochet with a beautiful view again. Too much gummy. Where's skirt? Coming into phone 창게 가기 마고. phone go 창고. 창고 phone go. So it's coming together and it stretches out. हामी नेपालीहरुको बानी भन्छ नि, प्यान्टहरु किन्न जाँदाखेरि केही किन्न जाँदाखेरि जस्ट बटम्सहरु घाटीको यो यसरी गरेर चाहिँ थापो छ भनेर. फोन ठिक छ. ड्याडीले फोन गरे के सानो सोले गीत गाएको कपिराइट नलागोस् भनेर end of the day and end of crocheting, even though it's not complete because I have to cook. Yeah, I have to cook, I have to do dishes. Yeah, bye. Again, back at my original place. Back at my original place to crochet, and I've done this much. So stretch inside the चाहिँ ट्राई कतिचोटि ट्राई गर्छ क्या अलरेडी यो लुज हुन्छ जस्तो लागिसक्यो क्या मलाई अब जस्ट लेट्स सी व्हाट ह्यापन्स या So I will say I'm cooking, and then after that I have an interesting not project, but I'm going to learn how to knit. Wish me luck. I just woke up, guys, and it's so gloomy, dark today. It's just 8:30 or 14 something, but it's so dark. दिनभरि पानी पर्छ जस्तो छ I'm gonna have some tea with other view as I say because पानी पर्ला जस्तो भइरहेछ डेन्जर Can you see this? Look at my hand nails. Oh my god, focus. So dirty happening. So यता कस्तो फोकस नर्यो यता पछाडिको बाटोमा घाँसहरू एकदम ओभरग्रोन भइरहेको थियो अनि सबै ओखलीएर आएको वेट I'll show you. So यता यो साइडमा सबै यति लामलाम भइसकेको थियो अनि यहाँ यति थुप्रेको छ अहिले घाँस चाहिँ एन्ड देन यता तल पनि के हो त्यो के भन्छ अदुवा रोपेको थियो अनि त्यहाँ पनि एकदम ओभरग्रोन भएको थियो अनि यति चाहिँ बल्ल तल सकाएँ यतिहरू सबै बल्ल तल सकाएँ एन्ड मेरो हात एकदम खराब भइरहेको छ एज यु क्यान सी अब फेरि हामी त पर बेसारबारीमा नि यस्तै घाँस ओभरग्रोन भइरहेको थियो अनि त्यहाँ पनि जाने कि भन्ने कुरा भइरहेछ आई थिङ्क विल गो देयर एज वेल सो या बाटो चाहिँ राम्रो हो ठाउँ पनि राम्रो हो तर मान्छेहरू चाहिँ खत्तम हो क्या यहाँ गयो मम्मी
तर गर्मी पनि उल्कै
गर्मी पनि लास्ट नराम्रो छ गर्मी र मान्छेहरू चाहिँ खत्तम छ यहाँ चाहिँ
बस्नेलाई ठाउँ ठिकै छ
यस So here we are.
भनेर हामी पनि टिकटकमा राख्नु आज घाँस ओखालेको
त्यही त So here we are at the Pesar Bari and look at this. साच्ची आज त ब्यान्ड बज्नेवाला चाहिँ घाँस त This is how it's looking so far. This is after ओखलिसकेपछि before was like this. First, this one is first. Cha tarsaतिर यसो डिले. First row, second row, and this third row. को हामी यता हाफमा पुगिसक्यौँ. We still have a lot more to go, and here कुरै नगरौँ. But यहाँ चाहिँ सफा देखिसक्यो. Yes. Here we have some makkais. Now we're going to pick it up.
किनाना मरेला हो
खै त मैले त एउटा देख्न थिएँ देखिदेखि यहाँले चाहिँ एउटा
त तरौ करा
अनि ठुल्ठुलो भेट्टाउनु पनि पर्यो नि यी सबै यस्तो यस्तो
म पर्यो नि कान्छे
सानो सानो पनि ओखल हेर्नु यो पहेँलो भएको
यो देखेन त ल
ए यहीँ रहेछ यत्रो ठुलो मैले नदेखिरह चस्मा छैन नि त म अन्धो छु नि त यो यस्तो नै ओखल्ने हो ल ल
यो माथिको खाल न
ए ए यहाँ रहेछ देख म अन्धो छु कि
यसको निलो दुन
माई हालत इज भेरी नराम्रो
यहाँ म त नर्यो होला
यति त सोरे फुल छ यति धेरै माटो अड्केको छ भारी भयो Now we're going home. We've got this much corn and we did यहाँको कर्नरदेखि we're heading back. आया कस्तो प्रिटी देखाएको त्यही भएर भिडियो लिएको सेड्युल त मलाई त गरेर कराइरहेछ Look at this. लास्टै गाह्रो लास्टै गर्मी We're back. Now I'll go and take a shower. Lastै चिलायो जिउ त को क्लाउड त It looks good. तर राति पानी पर्छ जस्तो छ So we're going पसलसम्म to buy some gloves because आजको त्यो घाँस ओखल्दा मेरो औँला सबै गयो That's why मलाई मम्मीले गाली गर्दैछ यार guys I just tried this अनि it fits perfectly as I wanted अब अहिले कतिको फिट भएको छ भने ट्राई गरेर चाहिँ देखाउन मिल्दैन because it's still short but I will surely show you at the end I'm really loving it म अहिले ट्राई गरेर उफ्रिँदै त्यही मेरो मम्मी हाँसेको नि भयो So yeah I'll show you later after I finish this Good morning guys Today is 29th July and it's currently 7:05 or 7:06 something like that and I came out on a walk as चाँडै उठे म अनि I felt like going on a walk so here I am and this is the view आजको I'm going near उतानिरको के भन्छ खोला साइडको एउटा उचा I'll show you later So yeah So this is the first time I'm walking alone बिहान यसरी because I usually don't walk even if I have to म साथी कि त मम्मीसँग आएर हुन्थेँ बेलुकातिर चाहिँ तर बिहान चाहिँ I never do that तर आज I did it It feels good So मैले भनेको ठाउँ चाहिँ आइपुग्नु लाग्यो उता गाडी नै हो अनि यहाँ पुरै कस्तो राम्रो देखेँ दसैँ त्यो के अरे धान सान रोपेको कस्तो राम्रो देखेको छ यहाँ अब उता गाडीभन्दा अलिकति अगाडि गएपछि हामी त्यहाँ बस्ने ठाउँ छ एउटा एन्ड देन त्यहाँबाट खोला देख्छ अनि पारिपट्टिको गाउँहरू सबै देख्छ या लेट्स सी I'm here त पारिको धुसुहरू चाहिँ मजाले क्लाउड्सहरू देखिरहेछ So म चाहिँ यहाँ एन्ड अफ द रोड आइपुगिसक्यो तर वी हेभ यता राइट जाने बाटो अनि यता जाने बाटो So यता जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ what we will see is this एउटा सानो बस्ने ठाउँ and then खोला and डाँडाज यस्तो राम्रो छ आमा खोला कत्रो ठुलो भएको रहेछ So यहाँ तलको ठाउँलाई चाहिँ सिमचौर भन्दो रहेछ एन्ड देन त्यो चाहिँ नयाँ पुल बनाएको पुरानो पुल चाहिँ त्यो सानो पर्छ अनि त्यो पारिपट्टिको सबै सोलर प्यानलहरू रहेको छ Oh my god The mist that coming from the river के I'm sitting here and then enjoying the view. Yeah, Abekching bus. It's 7:15 right now. Abekching bus, I'll head home. I'm heading home now. Gambal nice, but it's so freaking hot. I just paused because I don't have money to vlog or shoot right outside, but I saw a random lady there and then I paused. Guys, here I have a 13-inch long skirt aile, and then I'm gonna make it 16 or 15-inch long, and I think I am going to make a slit over here starting now, but I have a very huge mistake because I don't know how it works. Wait a minute. So the problem is, as you can see, this line here bango sa na, and I've increased into every fourth row until here, I guess, and increase गरेको भएर चाहिँ अब यो यसको त्यो shift हुँदै बाङ्गो भयो. Do help me because I am an absolute beginner and I want to fix this if I make another skirt. So do help me, what should I do when I increase and increase garda pani? I want it to be a straight line, not this slanted one, so do help me. Yeah. So this is the result. I did the slit as well. So yeah, this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, do subscribe, help me to grow, and have a good day, good night, and good morning. Bye.